What's up, my people? Welcome to another episode of Wilderness Vato. We're right here going after catfish. We're gonna do our very best to do a catch and cook. Hopefully we hit 2-3 nice sized catfish so we could fillet them, nug them up, put that fish fry on it, and get the grubbing, man, here at the lake. Yeah, buddy. This one right here, we got green worms. Undefeated. Last time it was 3-0. You know, 3 fishes. This one got 0. I had hot dogs on this one last time. This time we're using baby shad. So we'll see what's up right here. Let's get it. Let's get it. I'll keep y'all looking. Yeah, buddy. We're right here waiting on a nice bite. This time I brought my little sunshade because, man, it be hot out here. We're out here enjoying life, man. I'm gonna go ahead and take that dive. You guys already know. Keep y'all updated. All right, let's go get it. All right, man. I just got an idea. I want to go take a dive, but I couldn't take a dive because it's real. It just goes up like to my knees, shallow. So I'm gonna grab my fishing pole. I'm gonna walk down there. Then I'm gonna cast. I'll be back. Yeah, buddy. I just casted the baby shad. We're about to go ahead and do the glowing green worms. I was reeling it in and I got a bite. And they ate my bait. But let's go ahead and bait over that worm again and get it out there. We're all casted out. We out there. Got the green worm and we got the baby shad. Let me show you guys. I got these right here. Baby shad on the left rod, my left, with the second rod. We have it with these green worms. Nice. It's 120 right now, man. 120. That's how much it is. Crazy out there, man. Still out here fishing. Stay hydrated out here. #1 rule, man. Come out to the wilderness, lake, any kind of wilderness. This is your #1 key. If not, find your #1 source wherever you're at before you do anything. Water. $120 today. That's unbelievable, man. It is August 1st. Crazy, man. Check this out. So every time I come camping, fishing, whatever, I always forget something, you know. know, I think that's like a thing for the people that be out here, man. This time, I thought I brought everything. I get here, I was about to start recording. I turn on my GoPro and it says no chip. I was like, what? I forgot it in my laptop, man. So I'm gonna do it all in my phone, see how it comes out. I'm not gonna get the best footage because I don't got my mount, I don't have anything. All I got is a tripod and my phone today. So work with me and we'll see how it comes out. Buddy, I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in the stringer because we're gonna go ahead and have a cookout. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Wilderness Vatos. Yeah, buddy. Let's go ahead and get them out there. Yeah, buddy. We got one catfish, 2 more to go. That's crazy, man, how low the water's getting. Keeps getting lower and lower. I was walking right here, taking a little walk, and I found this. Big old dried up part. That's my shade. Right there. Yeah, buddy. I'll keep y'all updated once we're hooked again. Let's go ahead and cook. Yeah, buddy. Woo! And it was so hot that my phone it overheated. It's all good. We're about to go ahead and get the cooking already. Keep y'all updated. Woo! It's gonna be a little difficult. We forgot a lighter. Yeah, we forgot a lighter. The guy right here got some matches. We're gonna go ahead and try it out. Woo! We got it on. Yeah, buddy. Go ahead and start this out with a foil pan. We're gonna go ahead and get this catfish, take him out of his misery. Let's go ahead and fillet them. Yeah, buddy. We got two nice fillets. Better take off the skin. All right, two baby fillets. Let's go ahead and get these cleaned up. We didn't bring a bowl, but it's all good. I'll go ahead and crack some eggs. Beautiful. Put that up, we'll get the shit. Like that. I'm gonna grab one. Put it into the fish fry. Yeah, it looks all messy, but who gives a shit? I don't give a shit. We out here in the wild, man. This is 5-star in the wild. Oh, Lord. Yeah. That's one. Oh, homeboy just got a fish over here. Just get it in. Ooh, nice. This is the one we're using, Louisiana fish fry. Man, fish fry was a fail. We forgot our tons. Oh man, so we're screwed. But we're gonna eat it like that. About to go ahead, have a toast. Black cherry, White Claw. About to have one in memory of that catfish, that channel catfish. It burned, but we still gonna eat the motherfucker, man. So cheers. It's burned, but not fully burned, so we good. is a good burn. A bad burn is when you fuck up and you burn it and everything burns. You know? A not too bad burn is when it just burn from the outside. But it's nice and white from the inside. So, damn. See, that's how a catfish is supposed to taste like without the light burn. Without the light burn. But it's not ruined, it's good. It's real good. Oh man. Dang. That's real good right there. This is a catfish. I'm glad we came, we fished, and we caught a fish. I'm gonna go ahead and head out already. Thank you everybody for tuning in. And I'll keep y'all updated for the next fish.